Bum, 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 bum. Today it's snowing a lot. It is considered a blizzard, I think, maybe, currently. I just thought that I need to get out. I need to hit the town. We're gonna go into the snowy wastelands to kill the things.
What?
Does anyone have a TikTok dance to that? I'm gonna try to find somewhere to sled. Oh, I brought my sled with me just in case. I also have such a deep desire and craving for ice cream. I'm definitely gonna get some ice cream. Okay, so I realized while I was trying to back up that I really need, my windshield wipers are not working. We're gonna go scrape off some ice, you know what I'm saying? Satisfying. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, my hands are exposed. Yes! 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 No, 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 no! This is not Mario Kart Racing! Not the Wii version, definitely not the N64 version! Oh gosh. Why are there so many Speedy McSpeeders? I am not in a lane. We're turning around, I found a hill. That's a curve. I can't see. Oh. We're going sledding, babies. I can't get my glove on. Yoo-hoo, big summer blowout. Oh, okay, I'm going now. My face is really round today. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the wind to stop having a conniption. Oh, the wind has died down. There's a fun dragon on it because I love dragons. Ow, I'm pumped. Kind of. Okay. Oh gosh. What the heck just happened? I literally broke this fence. What the heck? I'm leaving before someone calls the cops on me.
Somebody call 911!
I'm not crying. This is laughing. A few tears. Okay. What is happening? Oh wow, this is fun. Hello. I don't think that this camera is made to go in the snow. That was intense. Visibility right now is low to extremely low, but that's okay. Oh, that does not help. What would be really fitting for right now would be to go get a blizzard from Dairy Queen, since I'm in a blizzard. I really hope they're open. Stop. Snow to the face. Okay, so I'm calling the ice cream shop because I'm afraid they're not gonna be open. And it's been ringing for a long time, so. Okay, so, Justin, stop singing. Oh, was that a curve?
Somebody call 911!
This is the moment of truth. Oh no, it does not look good. Let's just make sure. Hello? No, I'm not giving up. We're gonna find, oh my gosh, I look so good. Just look at them. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna find someplace. We're gonna do it. I don't know the rest of the words. That was a curve.
Somebody call 911!
I don't know where to go. The McDonald's doesn't look open either. Okay, we are resourceful. We will make this work, okay? We will figure this out. I am confident in the Green Mamba and my skills to track down ice cream. Ow! Maybe Sonic is open. I'm going to Sonic. So they do not look open. They have a big scoop cookie dough. Last and Sunday. Can't have that. We're gonna try one more thing. We're gonna go to the gas station and then maybe I can get ice cream there. I'm cold. Oh my gosh, that lady just went in. That lady just went into the gas station. Yeah! Okay, I'm so sorry. I need to put my shoes on because, whoa, took them off. How could they have Dippin' Dots? Oh, do you? Okay. This is a mood. Got a slushie. Wow. Whoa! So I got the slushie because I couldn't find ice cream. But then I found this. This is like from my childhood. So I had to get it. This is literal childhood. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's really sad. My lips and tongue are very blue. It's been pretty successful today. For a day where most people would shovel, stay inside and drink hot chocolate, I did not do any of those things. If you know me at all, I am not like most people.